Geobyte.
Hello friends, welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, let us discuss the answers for previous questions which were given in different competitive exams on the topic of dates, days and years. Dear friends, since the each and every problem I selected for general knowledge is already given in different competitive exams, you can treat all these problems are equally important. Therefore, my request is you please watch till the last problem. Let us take the very first one. Look at the first one asked in 2013 for SSC exam. Non resident Indians, popularly called as NRI, day is marked on. The NRI day is marked on option A January 7, option B January 9, option C January 17th, option D January 19th. The correct answer is January 9th is celebrated as NRI Day. I hope you got my point. Let us take the second one. Look at the second one asked in 2013 for SSC exam like this. Kisan Divas, popularly called as Farmers Day, is observed on the option A 1st July, option B 4th December, option C 18th December, option D 23rd December. The correct answer is the 23rd December. Dear friends, remember Farmers Day is celebrated or observed on the 23rd December. Let us move to the third question. Look at the third one asked in 2013 for SSC exam like this. Which one of the following days is not observed on a fixed date every year? Option A International Friendship Day, option B World Habitat Day, option C World Environmental Day, option D International Women's Day. Dear friends, remember the International Women's Day. Women, look at the third one asked in 2013 for SSC exam like this. Which one of the following days is not observed on a fixed date every year? Option A International Friendship Day, option B World Habitat Day, option C World Environment Day, option D International Women's Day. International Women's Day is fixed. World Environment Day also fixed. World Habitat Day also fixed. Remember, International Friendship Day is not fixed. It is like this. In India, first Sunday of August, generally International Friendship Day is selected. Look at the third one asked in 2013 for SSC exam like this. Which one of the following days is not observed on a fixed date every year? Option A International Friendship Day, option B World Habitat Day, option C World Environment Day, option D International Women's Day. Dear friends, remember, World Habitat Day is fixed, World Environment Day is fixed, and International Women's Day is also fixed. But International Friendship Day is not fixed. It is like this. Generally in India, first Sunday of August, the Friendship Day is selected. Look at the third question asked in 2013 for SSC exam like this. Which one of the following days is not observed on a fixed date every year? Option A, International Friendship Day. Option B, World Habitat Day. Option C, World Environment Day. Option D, International Women's Day. Dear friends, remember, the International Women's Day is fixed on March 8th every year, whereas World Environment Day is fixed on 5th June every year. On the other hand, World Habitat Day is fixed on first Monday, first Monday of October each year, whereas the International Friendship Day is not fixed. In India, generally, first Sunday of August, Friendship Day is selected or celebrated, whereas in Mexico, 14th February, Friendship Day is celebrated. On the other hand, in the Nepal, July 30th, the Friendship Day is celebrated. Anyhow, the International Friendship Day is not fixed in all countries. Now let us move to the fourth one. Look at the fourth one asked in 2013 for SSC exam like this. Which one of the following days does not synchronize with the birth anniversary of any eminent Indian? Option A, Teachers' Day. Dear friends, remember, Teachers' Day in India is celebrated on 5th September every year. It is the birth anniversary of a great Indian teacher, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Option B, Children's Day. Dear friends, as you know, Children's Day in India is celebrated on 14th November every year as a tribute to the birthday of Indian first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, also known as Chacha Nehru. Option C, Gandhi Jayanti. You know, every year, 2nd October, we are celebrating the Gandhi Jayanti. The last one, National Science Day. Dear friends, remember, National Science Day is not celebrated on the birth anniversary of any eminent Indian. Therefore, option D is absolutely correct. Now, let us move to the fifth one. Look at the fifth one asked in 2014 for MTS exam. Who among the following won the 2003 Indira Gandhi Award for National Integrations? Option A, Shyam Benegal. Option B, Baba Amte. Option C, Acharya Mahaprajna. Option D, Mrinal Sen. The correct answer is Baba Amte. Option B is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the sixth question. Look at the sixth one, asked in 2013 for SSC exam like this. Minorities Rights Day is observed in India on option A 1st December, option B 18th December, option C 23rd December, option D 5th September. The correct answer is option B 18th December. 18th December is observed the Minorities Rights Day in India. Now let us move to the seventh one. Look at the seventh one, asked in 2014 for SSC exam like this. International Literacy Day is observed on which one of the following days every year? You are asked to decide the International Literacy Day. Option A 8th September, option B 18th March, option C 28th March, option D 18th September. The correct answer is option A 8th September is observed as International Literacy Day. Now let us move to the eighth one. Look at the eighth one, asked in 2015 for BPSC exam. The International Day of Persons with Disabilities is celebrated on option A 10th December, option B 24th October, option C 19th November, option D 3rd December. The correct answer is 3rd December is celebrated as International Day for the persons with disabilities. Now let us move to the ninth one. Look at the ninth one, asked in 2014 for NDA exam like this. What was the code name for the Indian Air Force operations during the Kargil conflict of 1999? Option A Operation Vijay, option B Operation Meghadoot, option C Operation Indra Dhanush, option D Operation Saved Sagar. The correct answer is option D Operation Saved Sagar. Now let us move to the 10th one. Look at the 10th one, asked in 2015 for SSC exam like this. When was the last telegram sent in India? Option A June 14th, 2013. Option B July 14th, 2013. Option C August 1st, 2013. Option D July 30, 2013. The last telegram in India sent on the date July 30, 2013. Therefore, option D is absolutely correct. Now, let us move to the 11th one. Look at the 11th one, asked in 2015 for SSC exam like this. In which year was the first World Environment Day observed? Option A 1973, option B 1972, option C 1980, option D 1974. The correct answer is option D 1974. In the year 1974, the world first Environment Day was observed. Now let us move to the 12th one. Look at the 12th one, asked in 2016 for BSSC graduate level like this. International Yoga Day is observed on option A 21st March, option B 21st May, option C 21st June, option D 25th December? The correct answer is option C, 21st June. 21st June is celebrated as the International Yoga Day. Now let us move to the 13th one. Look at the 13th question. Asked twice for ND exam. Once in 2017 and second time 2019. It is like this. The World Humanitarian Day is being observed every year on which date? Option A, 24th October. Option B, 19th August. Option C, 10th December. Option D, 8th March. The correct answer is option B, 19th August is observed as Humanitarian Day. Now let us move to the 14th one. Look at the 14th one, asked in 2019 for BPSC exam. UNESCO inaugurated the celebration of 2019 as the International Year of the Periodic Table of Chemical Elements to celebrate its completion of how many years? Option A, 100 years. Option B, 150 years. Option C, 75 years. Option D, 50 years. Option E is none of the above or more than one of the above. The correct answer is option B, 150 years. Therefore, option B is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the 15th one. Look at the 15th one. Asked in 2019 for CDS exam. India, May 21st is observed as option A, NRI Day. Option B, National Youth Day. Option C, National Technology Day. Option D, National Anti-Terrorism Day. The May 21st is observed as National Anti-Terrorism Day. Therefore, option D is absolutely correct. Let us move to the 16th one. Look at the 16th one, asked in 2019 for SSC exam like this. Bihar Divas is celebrated on dash across the state to commemorate the day when Bihar was carved out of the Bengal presidency in the year 1912. Option A, 21st December. Option B, 22nd February. Option C, 22nd March. Option D, 21st January. The correct answer is option C, 22nd March. Now let us move to the 17th one. Look at the 17th one, asked in 2019 for SSC exam. On March 23rd, India observes Dash Day or Divas as a tribute to Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru on their death anniversary. Option A, Vidroh Divas. Option B, Shahid Divas. Option C, Protest Day. Option D, Tribute Day. The correct answer is option B, Shahid Divas. Therefore, option B is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the 18th one. Look at the 18th one, asked in 2019 for SSC exam. World Dash Day 2019 was observed on 23rd March with the theme The Sun, the Earth and the Weather. Option A, Geographical. Option B, Geological. Option C, Astrological. Option D, Meteorological. The correct answer is option D, meteorological. Now let us move to the 19th one. Look at the 19th one. Asked in 2019 for SSC exam like this. World Global Recycling Day was observed on dash in 2019. Option A 2nd January, option B 10th February, option C 18th March, option D 16th February. The correct answer is option C 18th March. Now let us move to the last question. Look at the last one. Asked in 2019 for SSC exam. Mother Teresa, the founder of Missionaries of Charity, was born on option A 26th August 1910, option B 15th May 1907, option C 13th January 1912, option D 2nd February 1913. The correct answer is Mother Teresa, born on the year 1910 on the date 26th August. Dear friends, with this I am concluding this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please subscribe our channel called GeoByte. Once again, thank you very much.
GeoByte.